Hello, beautiful, wonderful, wealthy people. So I've had recent people asking me, okay, when it comes to 508 and express trust, I know that I don't qualify for tax, but you keep saying this thing about the fact that reporting requirement and compliance reports are not a necessity in order to gain tax credit or the type of deduction or appreciation or the type of tax benefit, aka free checks from the IRS. How do I find the CPA to do that, to make it easier, to streamline it? So I'll be giving this to you so that you can have a general idea of what the conversation will be like. Because I found most people are apprehensive in speaking with these CPAs. These people, some people find it a bit intimidating speaking with certain people who have degrees and all that crap. I want to emphasize it here. Degrees and something on a piece of paper does not qualify your competence. Does not qualify whether you're going to be wealthy. Does not qualify whether you yourself are going to live a good life. So take all that formal, intimidative method that most people feel because someone has a master's or doctorate degree. It means nothing. Competence is what runs the world. If competence did not run the world, technology as we know it would not even exist. We would all still remain in the caveman stage of existence. In other words, the ones that are not only book smart, but also street smart are the ones that always win the game in life. And thus, those who are book smart would always work for those who are street smart, no matter what portion or aspect of reality it is. Street smart has nothing to do with hustling. The word hustle in many ways deals with lying, cheating, stealing. So when I say street smart, I'm not speaking about hustling, not that typical trash people are used to. I'm speaking about comprehending that the box exists for those willing to fit in it. You can function outside of the box because the nature of reality itself, which business is a very small part of. Business is a very small form of expression of that infinite things. Otherwise, they have all those degrees, but they are clueless as to how reality works outside of the box that the language of legislature and other private procedures support. So here are a list of questions that you should be asking them and some of the other basic things that you should be. So if you have to spend the 20th, 30th, 40th CPA to qualify with these questions, do so. I've compiled them for you and made it easier for you. Put them to use. I know if this is your first time doing it, it might be a bit daunting. But don't limit yourself in life just based on fear. The moment you stop growing is the moment that you're as good as dead. You have to think beyond the box. You have to always expand and grow. Part of what I'm showing you with these questions is part of the intricacies when it comes to what they call network. That good old business phrase, your network is your net worth. Net is everything after tax. Worth, of course, is self-explanatory. Network is whatever given thing you know or you're willing to do. If you cast a net out there, by the time you put it back, the worth will be equivalent. That net is the link of people that join together. But that determines your worth. Simple. And the way that you carry certain conversations are based on questions. The best conversations that are the most fruitful in life are the ones where you are constantly asking questions. The complete video has been posted on the Patreon page. Take care. Best of luck.